Hello, dear student. How are you? Welcome to the English class. Congratulations for joining to our ID Shaplaza Nesaria Alim Madrasa, a vast educational institution established by a saint Hazrat Sufi Sahib Huzur Rahmatullah Alayhi. Dear student, best wishes to you. Today I am with a grammatical term, so let's not waste our time. Let us start our class. Today's class is for 8 to 12, subject English, topic transformation of sentence, presented by Sohail Mahmood, lecturer English, Shaplaza Nesaria Alim Madrasa. Dear student, you know that there are some phases of transformation of sentence, and today we will discuss about assertive to interrogative. Dear student, I would like to clear the ideas. I would like to clear the total ideas writing some examples. And the examples are as follows. At the outset, let us introduce the examples. Number 1, they are playing football. Assertive. Aren't they play football? Interrogative. He is not working today. Assertive. Is he working today? Interrogative. You read the lesson silently. Assertive. Don't you read the lesson silently? Interrogative. Rina sings a song. Assertive. Doesn't Rina sing a song? Interrogative. Shumon went to school yesterday. Didn't Shumon go to school yesterday? Everybody likes him. Who doesn't like him? Nobody trusts a liar. Who trusts a liar? Dear student, you can see common 3 sentences in the above sentence. And the common 3 sentences are as follows. Rule number 1. If a sentence is affirmative, the changing sentence will be negative. In the same way, if a sentence is negative, the changing sentence will be affirmative. Dear student, rule number 2. If a sentence has a auxiliary verb, during sentences or in the changing sentence, the auxiliary verb come beginning of the sentence. Again, in absence of auxiliary verb, I mean devoid of auxiliary verb, you will use do, did, does according to the tense or principal verb. Dear student, at the same time, you have to know if the assertive sentence is negative during changing, interrogative sentence will be affirmative. And if the sentence is affirmative during changes or in the changing sentence, the sentence will be negative. However, dear student, number 6 examples, everybody likes him, who doesn't like him. If there are some words like everybody, everyone, all, nobody, no one, none, you should use or you will use who instead of these words. At the same time, you have to know the words everybody, everyone, all indicates positive sense. At the same time, these words nobody, no one, none convey the negative sense or express these words negative sense. Dear student, let us discuss this sentence details. They are playing football. The sentence is affirmative and there is a auxiliary verb are. That means are. During sentences or in the sensing sentence, auxiliary verb come to the beginning. He is not working today. The sentence is negative and the sensing sentence here is affirmative. And the auxiliary verb come to the beginning. Dear students, in this sentence, in these 3 sentences, you read the lesson silently. There is no auxiliary verb. I mean absence of auxiliary verb. So you will use don't. You will use do, did, does. You will use do, did, does according to the tense. Dear student, you read the lesson silently. The sentence is absence of auxiliary verb and the sentence is also present form, so you will use do. Another sentence, Rina sings a song. Doesn't Rina sing a song? The sentence is third person singular number, so you will use does. Then another sentence, Shumon went to school yesterday. The sentence is, the tense is past, so did. The sentence is affirmative and the sensing sentence here is negative. At the same time, everybody likes him. Who? You will use who instead of everybody, which I have already mentioned on the board. Like, nobody trusts a liar. Who trusts a liar? Nobody. Who? Dear student, you can see all the examples. You can see all the examples bearing the idea or bearing the testimony that's the magic law. Following this example or following the 3 rules, you can get maximum coverage. So you should apply like yourself, and that's all. Today's class, that's all. Dear student, Before finishing or at the end of the class, I would like to emphasize the direction conducted or given by our government, that is তোমরা অপ্রয়োজনে ঘরের বাইরে যাবে না, ঘরের বাইরে গেলে অবশ্যই মুখে মাস্ক পরে যাবে, অযথা ভিড় এড়িয়ে চলতে হবে, ঘন ঘন সাবান পানি দিয়ে কমপক্ষে 2 হাত 20 সেকেন্ড ধুয়ে নিতে হবে। দ্যাটস অল। থ্যাংক ইউ এভরিবডি। ভালো থেকো, সুস্থ থেকো। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।